Welcome guys, this is RCD 340 installed in my Volkswagen Polo. I'll show you just a tutorial of this. This has SD card, this has USB port as well as an aux port. The radio, big touch screen, media. In media you have aux as I told, Bluetooth, USB and SD card. Over here you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link. Usually in new phones Mirror Link is not supported, so mostly Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is working. Now I'll just show you how the Android Auto works. I'll connect it to my phone and to the USB port. So yes, the phone is connected. This is the maps. You have multiple options in the app screen. You can change the wallpaper of the app screen as well, as YouTube music is supported here completely with all the settings. You have your playlist, everything over here, last played, library, everything. It has a complete support, as well as the device files are also available over here. And then let's come to maps. Map works flawlessly. You get point to point directions with everything available over here. Split screen options. Same works with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well. This is your phone, contacts, these are the settings available. You can directly do the software update by installing the file in the pen drive and installing the pen drive over here. You can do the software update if available. There are multiple languages available. The sound setting, and this is the RCD 340. All the text over here, you can see them clearly. So yes, this is the RCD 340 for Polo, and this is the clock screensaver. It also tells you not to forget your phone inside your car. Thank you.